Are you looking for a way to monitor proprietary information that is intentionally or accidentally leaving your corporate network? Hello, this is David Strom, and you're watching another video screencast product review. We're looking at the overall web-based dashboard of the Global Velocity GV2010, a new kind of hardware appliance that can be installed within a few minutes. We're showing the active policy, any open incidents, and a summary of who's doing what on our network. The product is a piece of advanced hardware that combines a variety of hot swappable components such as fans, power supplies, and active electronics, as you see from this view, where you can monitor their status and replace them when their color changes to red. Let's show you how easy it is to set up a particular policy to protect our content. We go into the Policy Manager, and here you see a list of the three major components for each policy: application rules, content rules, and flow policies. Together, all three can be assembled for specific kinds of monitoring tasks. For example, if we click on the Facebook traffic, here you see the 6 different kinds of things that you can monitor for Facebook users, such as chat sessions, posting messages, or sharing photos. You can set up a policy for all or some of these actions. It is that granular. The GV2010 comes with more than 100 different preset flow properties, which are used to monitor particular protocols and application processes. If we go to the demo policy, then the new policy component, application, and select particular application, you can see them as we scroll down this list. Part of the power of this appliance is the ability to point it at specific directories to be monitored on a file server. All the documents in that directory will be protected, and as you can see here, we're looking at the Content Manager. We scroll down to Defense Docs policy. Here is a collection of protected files that are on our server. To edit a new directory to be protected, we can go to Admin, Content Manager, and select a new content source on the right, and then choose the network directory, where we will get a setting sheet to fill out the specifics. Let me take you through a scenario where a rogue employee wants to hide this prohibited picture as part of a watermark in a random Word document, and then try to send this document as an email attachment. Even when we shrink it down to be barely visible to the naked eye, the Global Velocity appliance can identify it traversing our network and being sent out via an email attachment in its incidents reports when we click on a particular incident. If we want to investigate further and see what else this particular user or PC has been up to, we can go into the View Other Data and click on this sender's IP address of the .82, and it'll bring up a report of all of his applications. What are some of the things I liked? Global Velocity's setup and configuration is very simple, and the policy creation and monitoring is very slick and specific. And if we go to Outbound Content Inspection, Other Lists, Incident Map, we can see this nice map of the geographic destinations of all of our incidents. What I didn't like is that Global Velocity can't do everything yet. It can't block protected content, unlike a few data loss prevention products like Vontu. You also can't see what content is inside encrypted HTTPS sessions, although you can log that they existed and from where and to where they connected. The appliance doesn't come with preset content filters, such as to track sending out lists of social security numbers. Global Velocity represents a groundbreaking step towards combining both application classification and content monitoring, and while pricey, can provide unique protection. Thanks for watching another screencast review at webinformant.tv. I'm David Strom. Please check out my links here to watch additional videos, subscribe to my blog and email newsletter, and book me for your next conference.